Welcome on the bold topics and I am Anand Mai. The bugle is ringing for the Lok Sabha elections. Two phases of elections have already been completed. Continuous preparations and public relations are going on for the next elections. Today in the series Kaun Marega Baji, we will talk about the Ujiarpur Lok Sabha seat. The Ujiarpur Lok Sabha seat is made up of parts of Vaishali and Samastipur. There is a triangular contest on this seat. Nityanand Rai from BJP, who is also the current MP, is contesting on this seat, while two candidates of RJD are in the fray. Due to not getting the ticket, he is contesting as an independent candidate. When he did not get a helicopter, he entered the fray on a bullock cart. Amresh Rai is called Hanuman of Tejasvi Lalu Yadav and is from Samastipur district. He says that Tejasvi Yadav had mentioned that his wife Rajshri would contest from this seat or a local candidate would be fielded on this seat. But nothing like this happened and the ticket was given to an outsider. Those who are MLAs become minister and then they are also given Lok Sabha tickets. Talking about Union Minister Nityanand Rai, he answers with sharp and logical statements. When he makes sharp attacks on Lalu family, his style also remains in the headlines sometimes. He goes out alone with his family to see the Durga Puja fair and sometimes he is seen in his village in a rural style. His simplicity is praised, but the condition of the village adopted under the Adarsh Gram Yojana is pathetic. Nityanand Rai says that there is a wave of development in every house and in every person. He claims this, but with the same confidence with he says these things, if one goes to the village which he has adopted, then the voice will tremble and silence will overwhelm. After entering politics, Nityanand Rai never looked back. He started his journey and in this journey he has climbed a new step every time. Nityanand Rai enters politics by joining ABPP in 1982. After 10 years, he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in 1990. Then after 10 years, that is 2000, he contested the assembly elections from Samastipur and managed to win continuous 4 times in a row. He became an MP from Ujiarpur in 2014 and also became a prominent leader for BJP. He was made the state president of the party in Bihar. Even now, during his Lok Sabha elections campaign, he is looking after the responsibility of other states. After 2014, he won the elections in 2019 as well. This time, his opponent from here was Upendra Kushwaha. Talking about his vote share, he won by 6469 votes in 2014 and in 2019 this number of votes increased and Nityanand Rai won by 278 votes. After this, he was made the Minister of State for Home at the center. Now, if we talk about RJD candidate Alok Mehta, he is also a big name and has been continuously trying his luck in the electoral field on this seat. Alok Mehta has tried his luck in 2009 and 2014. Once he lost by about 25,000 votes and the second time by about 60,000 votes. Alok Mehta is a big name in RJD. He has a strong position in Bihar politics too. He is considered to be the political guru of Tejasvi Yadav. He has been one of the founding members of RJD. He has been the principal general secretary of the party. He has been the revenue and land reforms minister in the Nitish cabinet, has been the cooperative minister. He was an MP from Ujiarpur in 2004. He was elected as the member of the Legislative Assembly for the Ujiarpur State Assembly constituency. Two big ministers and people with a stronghold in politics and trying their luck once again in Ujiarpur Lok Sabha. Nityanand Rai is talking about achieving a record of victory, talking about winning and with more votes, while Alok Mehta is hoping to win the election from here once again in 2024 after 20 years after 2004.